Are you ready to become a top rated Fiverr freelancer and make money doing what you love? Keep watching to discover the 5 secrets for success on Fiverr. Hi everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to share with you 5 secrets for success on Fiverr. Fiverr is one of the most popular online freelancing platforms, but not everyone succeeds. If you're tired of getting rejected and want to start making money, then keep watching. Secret 1. Specialize in a niche. The first secret to success on Fiverr is to specialize in a niche. Don't try to be a jack of all trades because you'll be a master of none. Instead, I would suggest you should focus on a specific area of expertise and become the go to person for that particular service. For example, if you're a graphic designer and you provide your clients with awesome thumbnails, then you should make sure that your thumbnails are the best in the market, because then anytime your previous client needs a thumbnail, he would come directly to you and won't look for anyone else. Secret number 2 is to provide excellent customer service. Now, here is where I want you to think. Think that you want to get something done from someone on Fiverr and you hire a freelancer. What would you expect out of him? You would expect proper communication, you would expect on time deliveries, you would expect them to be professional and polite to you, and stuff like that. Just provide that to your clients and see the growth that you gain. Because the one common complaint from clients about Fiverr is that freelancers here are not very professional. And if you start to be professional and you start to provide excellent services, I can guarantee you that you will get better results as a freelancer. Secret number 3 is to have a professional profile that says that I am able to do your job and I am the perfect freelancer for you. So how to do that is I'm going to show you my profile, for example. So what is happening here is this is how my clients would see, or my future clients would see my profile. So they can see that, I have the username, which is essentially my name, and then I have a really good tagline, and then I have a beautiful picture, and then I have professional thumbnails set up. And if you notice, these thumbnails don't get cropped from anywhere, so that is a plus point. So you need to make sure that everything is optimized perfectly. So for example, you see the last delivery that I did was 4 days ago, and my average response time is 1 hour. So like this should speak that you are in professional and you are in this since a very long time and you mean business. That is the real motto of having an optimized profile. And if you are able to complete any learn course, then it just says that you have been on this platform for a longer time. And this learn course is another tip. So the next step is to complete this online freelancing essentials. To be a successful Fiverr seller, you just need to complete this course, and this has some great information about how to maintain everything and how to run a successful business on Fiverr. So if you take this first of all shows that you have completed one course with Fiverr. It basically gains you a certificate, and once you have this makes your profile stand out, and this makes a huge impact in terms of getting more clients. And this description is a very simple one, because there are no spacing available. So this is how your description will look like. So make sure that it's very apt, very to the point. And if you have any reviews that speak for professionalism, then it's good for you. And this is what is basically having an optimized profile: having a good picture, having a good tagline that says what value you can add to your client's business, stuff like that. Okay, let's move on and let's talk about the next tip. The next step that I have for you is to offer competitive prices. Now, this is a given, but if you don't offer prices that are competitive enough and people are able to find other freelancers who do the same work that you do and are able to deliver that in a lower price than you, the chances of you getting the project is reduced. Once you have enough reviews and once you have a portfolio and once you are able to convince the clients, then the story is a bit different. But before that time, you need to offer competitive prices. That could mean that you are not getting paid as much as you would want to, but getting the clients is more important than getting no clients. And I mean, when you're starting out, your prices should be lower than your competition to get your first reviews and get better at doing what you do. The fifth and the final secret that I have for you is to keep up with the latest trends. For example, the revolution that ChatGPT has brought has been a disaster for content writers. Well, because they are now not being hired as much as they were before ChatGPT. Well, ChatGPT has made it easier for businesses to write content. Now there are new services available on Fiverr as a different section. You can go and offer your services. For example, if you were proofreading before, I will proofread your ChatGPT article and humanize them can be a good service to offer in this current scenario. And so you need to keep up with the latest trends and whatever new is happening in your industry, you need to keep up with that. Otherwise, you'll be left behind in the race and someone else will get your projects. So there you have it, the 5 secrets for success on Fiverr. Implement these tips and let me know if they work for you in the comments down below. And if they do, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and I'll bring more such valuable content for you as soon as possible. Are you ready to make money on Fiverr? Share your thoughts in the comments below if you think I should drop a complete course on Fiverr. Okay, I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye.